ranges of up to 5,000 meters, with fire accuracy close to 100%. In addition, the tank's automatic target tracker increases the accuracy of fire against moving targets and substantially cuts the time of preparing for me in February 2017.
Tonight, Pentagon officials say Russian forces appear to be taking positions that indicate an invasion, even as Russian officials signal a willingness for more negotiations. The U.S. says an invasion could happen any time and has relocated the U.S. embassy away from Ukraine's capital. The Pentagon says Vladimir Putin is acting like a general preparing for battle. Russia will pay a high price if it invades Ukraine. Russia wants NATO troops out of Eastern Europe and says Ukraine must never join NATO. U.S. and NATO officials say neither is going to happen.
Of the tank crews. Russian personnel have been undergoing training to operate the improved T-72B3M tanks, which offer a variety of improved combat properties. In the course of their training, the crews studied the combat capabilities and technical characteristics of the tank, the preparation of its armaments, sighting systems, and ranging equipment at the Laor Mountainous Proving Ground. The tank gunners and commanders conducted fire on the move against the targets located at a distance of up to 2,000 meters from the 125mm guns outfitted with Sosna U multi-channel sight that cuts the time of detecting and striking targets. In addition, the driver mechanics took part in a variety of exercises including speedy maneuvers, surmounting natural and artificial obstacles, and moving backward using rear view cameras. The Soviet-designed T-72 main battle tank, MBT, initially entered production in 1971 to replace the T-54, T-55 tank series that had been the workhorse of the Soviet tank forces in the latter half of the Cold War. More than 25,000 T-72s were produced, including for export. The middle section of the forward hull of the MBT houses the driver, while the turret accommodates the other two crew members. The T-72B3M is equipped with an advanced fire control system and a new thermal sight. In addition, the mobility and combat characteristics of the tank have also been improved to compete with the most advanced tanks worldwide. The tank is even equipped with radio systems for encrypted digital voice and data transfer, snorkels for deep fording, and a built-in blade for self-entrenching. Despite the age of the platform, the T-72B3M is capable of engaging and destroying targets with missiles from the halt and on the move, day and night, at ranges of up to 5,000 meters, with fire accuracy close to 100%. In addition, the tank's automatic target tracker increases the accuracy of fire against moving targets and substantially cuts the time of preparing for fire.